The DJI Fly app lets you stream your drone's live feed to a director device, opening up endless creative possibilities. This tutorial shows how to connect director device using the DJI NEO and DJI N3 remote controller. On the director device, swipe down from the top left corner to open Control Center. Tap Hotspot. Turn on the hotspot, set a name and password, then return to the main screen. Tap plus icon to create a new scene. Select RTMP push. Enter the settings in the pop-up window. Note the stream address at the bottom, and tap Create. Adjust the scene in the editor, then tap Save. Connect your phone to the director device's hotspot. Power on the drone and remote controller, then mount your phone on the controller. Open the DJI Fly app on your phone. After the controller and app are connected, tap Go Fly. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right. Select Transmission, then tap Live Streaming Platform. Choose RTMP, enter the RTMP address and stream key, then tap Start Live Stream. A red icon indicates the live stream is active. To stop streaming, tap the red icon and choose Exit. You can now control the drone with the remote controller while director displays the live video feed, perfect for professional productions. If you're using the DJI RC Pro 2 remote controller, it also supports HDMI output. Simply connect it to director with an HDMI cable and create an HDMI scene for even easier capture.